So we're going to look at a little factoring by grouping. So we're going to factor by grouping xy minus 7x plus 7y minus 49. So if you see that it has 4 terms, then it is possible that you might be able to factor by grouping. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to group the terms. The way we group the terms is we just put some parentheses and split it up into 2 binomials with a sign, a plus or minus sign in between the binomials. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to find the GCF of both binomials. So really quick, if you look at xy minus 7x, and you remember what we did in the other examples where we got a GCF, you should be able to see that in common, xy and a 7x have an x in common. So their GCF is x, and so we'll put down an x. And then what's left over? Well, we have a y. We're going to bring down the minus. And then we're going to, and 7 is left over as well. Okay? Then we're going to factor. We're going to put this plus down, and we're going to factor this by a GCF. And 7 is just 7, so this is 7 times y. 49 is 7 times 7. And so if we look at what we have in common, we have just a 7, making our GCF 7. And what do we have left? We have a y minus 7. Then you look at what you just put in parentheses, and you look at if they're exactly the same. Are they exactly the same? Very good. Yes, they are. So since they're the same, since they're equal, you can factor by grouping. All right, and the way we're going to write down the factors by grouping is we're going to take our GCFs. So we have an x and a plus 7, and we're going to put them down right here. And the other set of parentheses, we're going to put the other factors that we have here, y minus 7. And now it is